working on a Prius hail damaged car. See if we can get you a look at this fender here. You can see all those dents all down here. Not terrible, but a bunch of small ones you can see all through the fender there. Got it from a body shop. You can see all the circles. So basically, you're going to access from underneath the wheel well here to get pretty much all those dents. Maybe we'll have to do a glue pull or two on there, but we'll show you an after video as well. Hey guys, so I just finished this Prius fender here, the hail damage. I had about 30 dents on it. We gained access two different ways. So pulling this fender liner out gets you a lot of access from underneath, and then we can use the tire as leverage, and then we also gain access from the top of the hood there. There's access through that way. So I'll flip the camera around and show you guys the after video. Alright, after video on the fender. Zoom in there, show you up top. And so when those lines stay perfectly flat on the panel, you can tell that, and then the lights don't refract around any dented metal. You can tell they stay perfectly straight. That means there's no dents left. That's why we use the lights there. So I'll put the fender liner back and everything, and then we'll get started. We got to do the rest of this car here. We got doors, quarter panel, the roof. Lots of dents on the roof. Alright, thank you guys for watching.